We are in Italy enjoying some amazing pizza. Let's eat. My visit to Napiz was fabulous. The place was booming with people and had a really lively environment. When I sat down, I was given a complimentary appetizer. It was like a light panini sandwich, and they give you a spicy sauce that you can use throughout the meal. I also ordered some sparkling water. My first pizza, I will describe as a salad on a pizza, the caprese. It is delicious. It was literally so light, fresh. You can taste the freshness of the tomatoes, the basil, the Tuscan olive oil. And if you notice, I'm using a knife and fork to cut my pizzas because they don't pre-slice the pizzas. You cut it yourself. Now, this was one of my favorite pizzas, the Porro Bianca. It did not consist of tomato sauce or tomato base. It was mainly cheeses. It included a smoked scamorza cheese, a mozzarella fior di latte cheese, as well as Parmesan cheese and some Tuscan extra virgin olive oil. Last but certainly not least was the Una Bella Margherita. This pizza is perfect for the purist, someone who's looking for something simple and delicious. The flavors are strong, distinct, and of course they're amazing pizza dough. And what I really enjoyed about this restaurant was the flavors. You can tell that they put a lot of tender care into their ingredients and the way that they produce the pizzas. So if you are in the Milan area, check out Napiz. Thank you for tuning in to Cooking and Opera.